Notcoin Not is a token that entered the crypto space with a viral Telegram-based tap-to-earn model. It attracted millions of users through a gamified airdrop, but its journey has been marked by volatility. As we enter 2026, the focus is shifting to whether the token can stage a gradual comeback over the next 5 years. The question is no longer about hype, but about sustainability and real-world utility. The token's initial success came from a unique user acquisition model. However, as with many tokens that rely on viral growth, the challenge now is maintaining traction in a market that's become more selective. Notcoin's developers have moved beyond the airdrop phase and are now integrating the token into decentralized applications and gaming ecosystems. These integrations are a key step in expanding the token's utility beyond speculative trading. The broader crypto market is currently in a cautious recovery phase. Bitcoin dominance remains high, and investors are leaning toward projects with clear use cases. For Notcoin to succeed, it must prove that it can offer more than just a gimmick. The project's roadmap includes plans for cross-chain compatibility and a DeFi lending protocol. If executed successfully, these features could attract new users and bring more liquidity. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Into the Not token. Another factor that could influence Notcoin's price recovery is its token supply dynamics. The token has a fixed maximum supply, and if the team implements regular token burns or staking rewards, it could reduce the circulating supply. A shrinking supply can support price appreciation, especially if demand remains steady or grows. The team has not yet announced a concrete token burn schedule, but such a strategy could become a key driver of long-term value. Community sentiment and developer activity are also important indicators. While Notcoin's community is modest compared to larger altcoins, it remains active and engaged. Developer activity has been stable, which is a positive sign for long-term development. A healthy and growing community can help drive adoption and create a more resilient token ecosystem. The market capitalization of Notcoin is still relatively small compared to established altcoins. This means it has room to grow, but it also means it's more susceptible to market sentiment shifts. If the broader market moves towards smaller cap altcoins with clear use cases, Notcoin could benefit. However, if the market becomes risk-averse again, it could struggle to maintain its current position. Looking ahead, the next key signal to watch is whether the team can deliver on its roadmap milestones. The development of a DeFi lending protocol and cross-chain compatibility will be crucial. If these features are launched successfully and adopted by users, it could signal a turning point for the token. On the flip side, if the project fails to deliver or if adoption stalls, it may struggle to gain traction in the coming years. The next signal to watch is also the broader market environment. If Bitcoin continues to dominate and institutional interest in altcoins grows, Notcoin could benefit from increased liquidity and attention. Conversely, if the market becomes more bearish or if most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Regulatory uncertainty rises, it could face headwinds. Investors should monitor macroeconomic conditions and regulatory developments that could impact the entire crypto space. In summary, Notcoin is at a pivotal moment in its life cycle. It has the potential to stage a gradual comeback if it can deliver on its roadmap and prove its utility in real-world applications. The next few years will be critical in determining whether the token can move beyond its initial hype and establish itself as a sustainable project in the crypto market. The key signals to watch are the project's roadmap execution, token supply dynamics, and broader market conditions.